Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below, and we will answer you as soon as we can. Welcome to this video in our series on IGCSE Business Studies. This is Unit 4, Part 3. In today's lesson, we will be learning about achieving quality production. If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the card above.
Quality means to produce a good or service that meets customer expectations. The product should be free of faults or defects. Quality is important because it establishes a brand image, builds brand loyalty, maintains a good reputation, increases sales, attract new customers. If there is no quality, the firm will lose customers to other brands, have to replace faulty products and repeat poor service, increasing costs, have a bad reputation leading to low sales and profits.
There are three methods a business can implement to achieve quality: quality control, quality assurance, and total quality management. Firstly, quality control. Quality control is the checking for quality at the end of the production process, whether a good or service. The advantages are: eliminates the fault or defect before the customer receives it, so better customer satisfaction. Not much training required for conducting this quality check. But the disadvantages are: it is still expensive to hire employees to check for quality. Quality control may find faults and errors, but it doesn't find out why the fault has occurred, so it's difficult to solve the problem. If a product has to be replaced and reworked, then it is very expensive for the firm.
Next, quality assurance. Quality assurance is the checking for quality throughout the production process of a good or service. The advantages of this approach are: it eliminates the fault or defect before the customer receives it, so better customer satisfaction. Since each stage of production is checked for quality, faults and errors can be easily identified and solved. Products don't have to be scrapped or reworked as often, so less expensive than quality control. But the disadvantages are: expensive to carry out. How well will employees follow quality standards?
Lastly, and my favorite, total quality management or TQM. Total quality management or TQM is the continuous improvement of products and production processes by focusing on quality at each stage of production. There is a great emphasis on ensuring that customers are satisfied. In TQM, customers just aren't the consumers of the final product. It is every worker at each stage of production. Workers at one stage have to ensure the quality standards are met for the product in production at their stage before they are passed on to the next stage, and so on. Thus, quality is maintained throughout production and products are error-free. TQM also involves quality circles, and like Kaizen, workers come together and discuss issues and solutions to reduce waste to ensure zero defects. The advantage of this approach are: quality is built into every part of the production process and becomes central to the workers' principles. It eliminates all faults before the product gets to the final customer. No customer complaints, and so improved brand image. Products don't have to be scrapped or reworked, so less cost for the business. Waste is removed and efficiency is improved. But the disadvantages are: expensive to train all employees. It relies on all employees following TQM. How well are they motivated to follow the procedures?
How can customers be assured of the quality of a product or service? They can look for a quality mark on the product like ISO. This is the International Organization for Standardization. The business with these quality marks would have followed certain quality procedures to keep the quality mark. For services, a good reputation and positive customer reviews are good indicators of the service's quality.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.